Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another Daily-BEB. Generateur de I can't speak French, that's embarrassing. Wow, beautiful. CFD Secam with a voltage selector. Awesome, but what's inside? Auch ein Rücken kann entzücken. Okay. Ho 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 ho. Woo! Da, 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 da. Oh yeah. This is really, really old. 1979. Vintage. Woohoo! We see some really, really old caps. Old glass body diodes. Old transistors. Oh yeah. I love this kind of stuff. Wonderful. Okay, same here. Nice. That's okay. Very nice. Lovely. And the delay line. Stefix. I guess it will be pronounced differently. 1 microseconds. 1000 ohms impedance. Beautiful parts all around. Really nice. This is a tantalum cap, I guess. No, it's not. And look at the old diode. And gold. I'm a rich man now. And the other boards are not much different, I guess. Exactly. This one is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this would be a great thumbnail for the video. Woo! Wonderful. And the last board. That's very typically for old caps. And the service extender. Woo! Yeah! Prolongateur. Wow! That's great. Woohoo! And gold pins. They don't really look great anymore. This is not right. Well, this is how it should look like, and that's not. Really? Why so complicated? Look at that. Huh. I don't get it. Beautiful. Okay. Wonderful. Hermetically sealed relays. Great. Woo! And more obscure old electronics. Beautiful BNC bulkhead connectors. And a wonderful transformer. Nice. What the? Ah, okay. I guess they have lost the power cord for this strange power connector. Yeah, that's it for today. I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please put a thumbs up. I can need any support. And see you again soon. Bye.